boyfriend Hot. We make educational videos just for you that are fun and exciting. Hope you enjoy this amazing adventure and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I'm done. You're next, please.
I want this one.
Yes, we'll do your hair that way.
And this.
Okay. Would you like to do something else like this? You want that?
No, this.
Okay. Take a seat then. This way, please. Let me take this off. You have very nice hair. Up here. I think that's enough. Now, I'm going to use a very good brush. Wow. Would you like your hair straight or curly?
Straight, please.
How are you then? I've been not seeing you in ages.
I got thank you. I'll be so busy. No time to do my hair.
I know what you mean. And I'm a hairdresser. My hair needs a major trim. Wow, you look amazing. You look exactly like that princess that you chose.
I need a crown now.
Oh yes, I forgot. Wow. Look amazing.
My hair is soft now.
You look really nice.
Whoa, I'm beautiful.
Okay, now for some nail polish. Which one would you like?
Pink and orange.
Okay. You're done.
I love the color.
Very nice necklace. So hot.
No.
I think these will go really well with your outfit. Which one would you like? This or this?
I want to pick the nice one.
See, gonna move a bit. Wow, you really look nice. Oh, this is lovely, Hall.
I know. Your dad did it for me. You want to go to her salon?
Look at this bracelet.
Yes, please.
It actually has your name on it. Which lipstick would you like? This or this?
This.
Oh, this one? I like that one as well. Like that? Good. Wow. Would you like a bit of blusher?
Yes.
Do.
Fabulous. How much, please?
20 euros.
Okay.
How would you like to pay?
Revolut. I'll send you the money soon.
Okay.
Bye. Hope you enjoyed
Our videos.
Hollie and Sophie.